Welcome back, my fantastic artistic numismatic friends. What we're going to do today, we have got the till raiding book. We're going to be till raiding. Now this is a form of collecting coins which you go out to shops, you pay for something with a note, and then you ask for picture 50p's, picture £2 coins and you change. We do it safely, we adhere to every single health and safety requirement that's going. Right, let's have a sneaky peek inside the book, what we need. And the only one that we need, and we've been needing it for a long time now, is Commonwealth Games England. We've found 2 Northern Islands since making this book, since doing these videos. And we've only been doing it for about, 10 months, so we've made a lot of progress in that time. Okay, we've got them all, including some from other places, the territory finds. Epic, eh? Epic. Alright, let's look on. So we need Kew Gardens for the 50p's. Who doesn't need Kew Gardens? Who doesn't need Kew Gardens? We need boxing, and we need equestrian. We need football, judo, and what's that one? Handball. We need triathlon. Then we've got the potters, the puddle duck, the Newton. We've got the extremely scarce Peter Rabbit and Flopsy Bunny, of course. Flopsy Bunny being the second rarest coin in circulation after Kew Gardens, excluding a few Olympics. And we've got the last one to enter circulation, which is Diversity Built Britain. In fact, we've actually got 26 diversities. Will we have any more today? We've got 4 Commonwealth Games. I put that referendum coin down there, just it's meant to go into my territories finds, but I don't know, should I get all the territory coins that I found doing till raids and pop them in this album? Should I do that? Let me know, folks, let me know. It'll be a long job, but oh well. We've got the little tin. I haven't got the piglet hand, I don't know where it's gone. I think I popped it away, we're having some work done, so popped it away, I'm decorating. So we've got the old George anniversary tin, full of commemoratives. A little bit of a sneaky peek in there. Alright, let me get them out. Great, that's it. There we go. So we've got some 2 quids and we've got some 50p's. Let's have a look at the £2 coins first. Let's zoom in somewhat. There we go. Right, so we've got the 5th portrait of Her Majesty on this coin. £2. And of course, it's the Hollow Crown. Finding them by the ton. We've got another 5th portrait of Her Majesty, £2. Will it be another Hollow Crown? No, it's a comedies. It's a comedies. So we used to find a fair old whack of them. What we got? We've got the 4th portrait of Her Majesty, 2010 down there. What's this one going to be? It's Florence Nightingale. What a stunning coin that is. What a stunning coin that is. But suffers from a medium to high mintage, so we don't really need it. We've got another one here, and that's that's actually quite nice nick. Well, the camera doesn't really work it, but I might have to see if we need an album upgrade here. This is the Trinity House. The Trinity House. It's a lighthouse. Let me know if you want me to paint a lighthouse on the painting videos. Let me know. Obviously did the Salvador Dali in the Masters Paints the Masters, which will return someday, folks. Got plenty of ideas for that one. But should I paint a Trinity House? Of course, we painted a coin once, didn't we? Painted the Great Fire of London, and that's quite a popular picture. And I'll probably put some more on the Etsy store from time to time, different sort of styles. So check that out. That's MasterTemple Arts. There we go. I've got to plug it, haven't I? Well, I'm thinking about painting another coin. So Let me know if you've got any ideas which other coins you want to see me paint. We've got a Charlie Dickens there. We've got another 5th portrait of Her Majesty. Yep, we've got a comedies. 2 comedies. The Divine Comedy. You can't give them away around here. Okay, what we've got here? A Rugby World Cup. I think that's the 3rd one. I think, yeah, found 2 last time we went till grading. And this one, £2 on the bottom. Can't find a date on this side. But of course, look, Golden Guinea. It says 2013 right down at the bottom. Right down there. Look at this. It looks a little bit. It's a bit skewy there. Let's see if we can get it a bit closer. I don't know. Don't know about that one. Let me know your views, folks. Let me know your views. Right, so that's it for £2. We've got seven different designs. 2 comedies. So 8 coins in total over the period. Right, let's get on to the 50p's. What we've got here. 2007. We've got a scouting movement. That's it, and that came out as well in the 2019 set, and we did get the Girl Guiding version of this in the 2019. 2018 we've got a representation of the people. I've said it many times before, this is a wonderful coin to look at, but it suffers from silly mintage figures. They could have had 2 coins out and still be enough for everybody. Right, we've got a little bit of a battered and bruised 2006 Victoria Cross the medals. Okay, what's this one going to be? Way up. We know what this means, don't we? We know what this means. Got 50 pence written down on the bottom. Ooh. But we know it. Of course, if it was something good, it'd be further down the file, wouldn't it? Okay. What we've got here, 2020. Brexit perhaps? No, it's a diversity, so this will go on the tally chart. And the only reason why I've got a tally chart for the diversity is because it's the first coin that came out into circulation since starting these videos and completing this book. I should have done it right at the beginning. I could have done a couple of different coins, or perhaps, I don't know. We've got Commonwealth Games on there, but I don't know. Anyway, stop waffling on. 1998. Now we've got an NHS. That's a wonderful coin. Definite keeper, in my opinion. Definite keeper. And we've got another 1998. We've got another NHS. God bless. And then last but not least, we've got an Olympic. Another Olympic. So what's this one gonna be? Will it be one for the book? No, it's volleyball, isn't it? But it's still an Olympic find. So that's a keeper for sure. So let's have a look. What we've got. So should I keep them 2? Should I keep them 2? So I just shift coins instead of I'm not keeping them. Not keeping that. They can go in the pig wherever the pigs ran off to. So we'll keep them 2. We'll not have that. Do we want that one perhaps? And that one, we'll see if that's an album upgrade. Right, until next time, my fantastic friends, do take care, stay safe, happy days.